What up, friends and fam overseas? You know I miss you and I love you, and I know I'm making a fool of myself on this video edition. I'm just saying though, I'll be overseas soon. I'm letting you know you guys are tormenting me with those videos you're sending me of the beach and the warm weather and the hot girls and all that stuff. And I miss you guys. Happy Halloween. Hope it was very, very scary. And I'm going to show you my scary. This is me in the morning. I don't know how my honey puts up with it, but it's like worse than this, right? It's like I wake up like this. Like, is that not Halloween enough for you? I'm just saying. Anyways, I'll be overseas soon to promote my new business, and you'll know what it is soon enough. You keep in contact. You already know. Now you keep in contact, you already know what time it is. I miss you guys. Keep in contact and keep watching some Stu Chain's channel. You'll start seeing the new stuff. So, anyways, I love you guys. Miss you. Love you.